How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am teaching you the beginner jig. We're going back to basics. We are learning the very first step that you would learn in any Irish dance class. It's the first step I learned, at least, so there may be some variations depending on where you're from, but the formula is pretty consistent. It's very simple, very easy to pick up, especially if this is your introduction to Irish dancing. This is a great place to start and get the hang of it, because there's not a whole lot of bells and whistles going like flying your way. It's very simple, very easy, very fun, and yeah, it's a jig. It's fun tempos. I got such great feedback from the beginner hornpipe videos and the beginner treble reel videos. I figured, let's go all the way back to basics, and go through a introductory beginner jig. One of the best things about this is it's technically soft shoe, which is our light dance, light shoe. So you can use your gym shoes, you can really use any type of shoe. I'd say something that's supportive. I tend to dance in my socks a lot, and I wouldn't recommend that, but sometimes I do. It's one of those do as I say, not as I do things, but you really can perform this dance in any type of safe, healthy footwear. We don't need hard shoes. We're not making rhythms necessarily. It's more about the movements. If you're new to the channel, my name's Tyler. I do Irish dance videos, all things Irish dance, from fun challenges, fun tricks, tutorials, you name it, all things Irish dance, fun stuff. So if that interests you, consider subscribing to the channel, because we'll be doing more videos like this in the future. If you'd like to support the channel further, if you're an avid member, you know, you've subscribed to the channel months and months ago and you're just following along, and you'd like to support the channel further, you want more videos coming out, they do take a lot of time to edit, you can become a full member of the channel. You can join my Patreon, or you could purchase a Tyler Schwartz Dance t-shirt. All proceeds for all of those things go straight back into the channel to buy better cameras, free up more of my time to do more videos. Also, the jigs provided today are by FEIS App. Whether you need Irish dance music to practice to, like today, or you just want to vibe to Irish dance music, FEIS App has you covered with so many reels, hornpipes, jigs, set dances, traditional set dances, everything you could imagine. FEIS App is there. Link down below if you'd like to learn more about FEIS App. But anywho, let's get on to this beginner jig. Okay, we are going through the beginner jig, or the first jig I ever learned. Let's put it that way. Figured I'd teach you it and have some fun with it. What you're listening to is a light jig, also called a beginner jig, and it's got 8 bars to it. I figure we should, clap out these bars first so we know how to count this music. So 6, 2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. So I would rewind that and practice getting the hang of this music first. Getting the hang of this music first, because that's pretty important to understand what we're doing here. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Timing is super important. The more you know. So we're gonna go, let's turn that down a little bit. We have our right foot in place, right foot in front, left foot in back, toe to heel. And we're gonna start with a big jump off 2 feet, landing on 2 feet. Jump, there we go. We're gonna hop again on our left foot, and as we do that, we're gonna pull our front right leg up and bring our knee up and our toe to our knee. Okay, so we're gonna go jump, jump knee. Can you see this? Yep. So we're doing that. Again, you don't want the knee out here, you want that in line with your belly button right there. So 2 feet, up knee, and then hop back. We're gonna place it behind us. Kind of similar to when we were doing our walking exercises and placing our feet in back. Whoop, excuse me. We're gonna bring that back. All right. So again, 2 feet, jump on the knee, and we're gonna jump again, hop, back. Okay, so our left leg is effectively doing 3 jumps in a row. Jump, 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 back. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, up knee, hop back. We're gonna put our weight onto our back foot, and we're gonna go 2, 3, 4. And put all our weight onto our left leg at the finish because we're gonna bring this leg forward, but let's just do that for now. 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. To the front, ready, give it a shot. Ready, 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now we're gonna repeat that on the left, or not left foot. We're gonna repeat that, bringing the right foot forward. So if we did our jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna jump and lunge forward, jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're gonna repeat it by bringing that right knee forward. Okay, let's try 2 in a row. Ready? 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Jump together, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so again, from a side angle view, we're gonna do 2 feet, jump. Then we're gonna hop off our back foot up to a knee. Then we're gonna hop back, left foot, 2, 3, 4. Plant to your left leg and then jump off with your right foot in front, 2 feet, knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Jump, okay? And we're gonna do this combination 3 times in a row, all right? So we're gonna go jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. Jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. And we have a big finale to finish it all off. Good, good, good. And we're gonna try that one more time. 2, 3, and jump, up knee, hop back, 2, 4, and jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna bring up, we're gonna bring our jumping right leg again, and we're gonna bring it up for a hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. All right, so again, so jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and jump, hop knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, and swing up to a knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that's the whole step right there. That's my version of a beginner jig. We do a combination 3 times in a row, and then a slight variation in the fourth quarter, basically. So each one of those takes up 2 bars of dancing. 1, 2, 3, and a 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, and a 4, 2, 3. 5, 2, 3, and a 6, 2, 3. And then 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Cool. Hard to count the bars and dance at the same time, but hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Let's dance it to the music. So I'm on the FEIS app and I'm using the light jigs. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that's a little bright, but light jigs. Let's see. Let's go with The White Petticoat Set. And 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and off we go. Jump, knee. So there's kind of like a rhythm to it. Those types of moments that are very important to stay with the music. They help keep you in line with the music. 5 and 6, 2, 3, and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and jump, hop, knee, hop back to 3, 4, jump, hop, knee, hop back to 3, 4, jump, hop, knee, hop back to 3, 4. See if we can turn it up a little bit, just in case this isn't getting to the mic. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Knee, jump, hop, knee, hop, jump, knee, hop back, jump, hop, knee, jump, hop, knee, and knee. Oh my God, without me realizing, I just did the left foot version. So if you're feeling bold, you learn the first one and you want to do the left foot version of it, it's basically the opposite. So when you finish your knee, hop back, 2, 3, 4, you then jump with your left foot in front.
I'm trying to connect.
Don't connect. You want to bring your left foot forward, and then your left foot is leading the way for all of these dances. So yeah, let's try that one more time to music, and yeah, let you go on your way then. The 5, 2, 3, and 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and jump, knee. All right. Let's turn this down. Probably didn't mention this, but you don't have to wear hard shoes for this dance. You can use soft shoes. You can use gym shoes. I would say not to wear socks. Sometimes I end up wearing socks, and something I do, but you know, recommend not to. You want to have that support and protection of your feet. But gym shoes work just fine for this. And yeah, turn this down just a little bit more. So I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit of Irish dancing, little introduction to the light jig of Irish dance. If this is something that really interests you, if you're enjoying yourself, having fun with Irish dancing, I say nothing truly replaces being in a dance studio with a dance teacher and having that energy. Hopefully we're gonna be back into a reality where we can have that again. But there are so many Irish dance schools all over the globe at this point that just a simple Google search or two, you'll find an Irish dance school not too far away from you. So I'd highly recommend, if you're enjoying this, you're enjoying Irish dancing, to give it a shot and head on over to your nearest Irish dance studio and learn more. Go forth and see what else you can learn. But yeah, what else? Well, and also if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of it in the future, consider subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate that. And yeah. Oh, if you'd like to see more jigs, if you're enjoying learning light jigs like this, you want to see more of them, let me know in the comments. Hit a like button or two. Let me know that this is something you enjoyed and would like to see more of. But for now, I will see you in the next video. See ya.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.